Hello guys, today I want to teach you how you can create a SMM website, which is social media management website. This is a website that people use to buy followers, like, comment, and many other things. And this website is very easy to create. A lot of people are making money with it. You can easily make money with it. Depends on you. And it's very easy. I want to teach you how you can create this from scratch. Within 5 to 10 minutes you have done with it. Okay, let me just show you this. From here we see my home page. This is a unique website. From here you can change everything on this website. Both this image here, everything for the admin dashboard. Now from here you see this is my logo, home page, about page, services, FAQ, which is frequent asked question, blog, and contact. There you see the login button. Let us just scroll down a little. You see it is unique. You can be able to change everything here without the stress. This is a blog, latest blog. After this, you can also go to the about page and see everything about. This is the about page. You can also make changes to here from the admin dashboard. Let's come here, come to the services. This here, all your services will be listed. There is frequent asked question people ask more. You can easily add and subtract from it. Then it comes to this blog. This is where you write a little blog for your website so that you can easily organize your website easily, like Google, Yahoo, and all that. Then when it comes to contact, here customer can easily contact us without stress. You understand? Now let us just try and log into the dashboard. Let us see what we have. So I click on this, I just log in. Okay, now I've logged into the dashboard. This is the dashboard, as you can see. From this home page of this dashboard, I can just as well explain to you. This is your total balance, your total transaction, your total deposit, total ticket, total order, processing order, pending order, and completed order. That's the last one. From the up here we see our menu, and this website is mobile friendly. You can use it anywhere. Look at it, very nice. Okay, from here for this button, which is this menu, you can say new order, massive order. I can make massive order too here, and also you can see all your order, refill order, and dupe order. Then when it comes here, you see the services, all the services you offer. Since I click, you will see all the services that in the system. You can also add services as an admin by yourself. As an admin, you can also add services. Then when you want to add from, you can also add from for here. The best thing about the system is that it has automatic payment method gateway. You can see set up this payment gateway and start get funded this account through this. As you can see, there are a lot of payment gateway here. The admin set that for yourself. Like you that want to pay this type of system, you set it. Then when it comes here, you see fund history. This way you see all your history of your funding. Then transaction, you see everything going on your system. Okay, once you come to this place, which is your profile, you can upload profile picture here. Once you click on this profile, you will see my profile. Just comes here my referral, people that you refer to the system. Then you get a referral bonus. This is the bonus you get for referring people. And also for this system that you created, we have some API settings where you other user can create website that will link to your website too. Then it comes with open ticket. This is maybe someone have a problem, can you also create a ticket for you to lay the complaint, then you attend to it. Show a ticket that you have already complained your complaints. Then comes to here, two-factor authenticator security, you can add it, and this is what about the system do. When it's called here, this is your notification button, also you get notified anytime. Then it comes here, you can change to dark mode or light mode. This is dark mode now, you can see. And that is all. Okay, let us just go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard already. For us to start making order, this system is already designed completely. I can add as many services I needed, and also can add other services from the admin dashboard. But for us to see some things first, you can just come here and click on new order. This is how you can make order. Once you click on new order, it comes here. You select for the category of service that we have in the system. You can add much category, depends on you. Therefore, you see that this Instagram work after update, this category, this other category, TikTok follower. Can you click on this? Then after that, you select for the TikTok service that you, for the category, there are services under the category. Select from one of them. For this, just only one. Can you click on it? Once you click on it, then you enter your TikTok profile link here, which is the profile you want there to set the followers to, because you want to buy follower right away, purchase a follower. Then from here you enter the quantity. Then from the quantity here we show you the amount you will pay. Then you have to pay for 500, you have to pay $1.50. That's how the system works. Admin set up all these things from the back of the system, which is for the admin side. Then we come here, you see TikTok follower. This is the description of what you are getting. TikTok followers ring. There is a start from 0 to 1 hour. Speed 50k a day. Can purchase 50,000 followers a day. The quality they guarantee 15 days guarantee. Drop in low. It will not. It's just, this is not just that type of follower you just buy before you wake up. Everything I've won. No. It will be there for you. Okay, this is how you can use the system to purchase, add funds and order, as you can see. Let me just show you for my account, for my TikTok. This is my real TikTok account. Okay, let me just test something for you that will be more nice. Let us assume that I have some video here. Some video. Let me just come here. Let's just see. This is a video that I have. Okay, for me to boost the like of this. For me to boost the like of this video, I can easily boost it by myself without anybody. That's how this system works. The system you're about to be, that's how it works. Okay, let me show you some things that you can do. Let me just go to the admin panel, admin side of the system. Okay, let's go to the admin side. I go to add services or category. I can just go and add category. Okay, I just go to this website where I used to buy my little. This is services that will not be shared on this video. I'll come here, click on services. I want to add more service to that to the system. Like, I just enter my TikTok like. TikTok likes. Okay, let me just add this new service to it. TikTok likes and comment. Then I come here, I go to the admin dashboard of this my services, the website I created. I just come to add category. For add category, I can just put the name here. Yes, comes here. Just put the description. Then I click on enter. Then what is that? I can just come here and scroll. Let me see some services that is faster that I can easily buy. Okay, TikTok like me. Then I can just enter this on the system. How do I do that? I just copy the title that comes to here. Now you click on add services. For the add services, I name it. I paste my title, category, TikTok likes. Yes, look at it here. It comes here. Minimum amount the person can purchase. Let me check for the services provider. Minimum amount someone can purchase 50 to 5 million. I can just enter the minimum amount the person can purchase. Let me come here. Just put it 50 to 5 million likes. Get the like per 1000. Let me see. The like per 1000 is 0.217. That's the amount I'm paying to these services to my provider. But instead of to put that, I still need to have my own gain. I just add my own amount as 0.5. You understand? per 1,000. That's what I'm selling. As comes here, I click on API because I'm using API. Select my API provider because I've already set up my system here. Comes here, I copy this. This is the ID number I needed. Just copy it. Yeah, I post it here. As you can see, there is it refill. Let me check if it is refill. Don't think so. Just click here to see everything in the system. If there's refill, you see no refill. Just copy. I just copy the full description. I come here, no refill. Of there. Enter my full description here. I just click on save. And that is all. Now I've already added this website, these services to my website. There, my users are able to purchase from these services. I just come here. Let me just come here. Go back home. Let me just refresh from here so that I can see everything I'm doing perfectly. After refreshing, I select. I want to purchase TikTok like. This is TikTok like. Okay, look at it here. They are select from the services. Look at it. This is the service I just added. As you can see, now you will see if I put 1,000 for likes. Now you see the amount. Now let me go and collect my video link that I want to boost. This is for educational purpose. You have to get it. Don't forget. I boost any account for educational purpose. And once I come to the video, I can just click on here. Where is it? Let me see my link. Okay. I click on this or copy from here, but I don't want to embed it. I just cancel it there. I click on copy link. This link, I just copy. This is the link to my video. As you can see, I just come here, go to where I want to make my order. Look at it, link. Then I will paste my video link here. After posting the video link, I scroll down. We ask me the quantity I want to purchase. Let us say I want to purchase 1,000 like. I can just enter the 1,000 like. You see that I'm paying $0.5. But I'm not purchasing this type of amount. I just for a practical purpose, let me just enter 30. Then let me show you something. This video has only 1 like, and it's like I'm the only person that like it. You see, that is just for education purpose. Then I come back after entering the 30. This is the quantity I need. Then I check. This is the amount they will charge me. Then I just click on yes. I have confirmed the order. Then I just click on place order. Say your order quantity should be minimum of 50. Okay, that's what we set on the system. Let me change to 50. Then now they are taking 0.03 for me. I just click on say yes. Then I click on place order. Now I've placed my order. Then let us start and check when the system will start counting. Just go here. Let me go and see my services. All order. Let's see. This is what I just mean. Say it's processing. Once it starts counting, you will see it on my profile. This is how a lot of people get their TikTok or any social media interested. Why? They purchase follower, like, comment, everything that there's many more that you can easily purchase. Understand? That is where you see some people will post within 2 seconds. Your posts have gone viral. You just say, this person has also like. No, some of them have been bought, and this system you can use to make money every day, anytime. If you want to create this type of system for the script and also guidelines about the business. Okay, guys. After some minutes, not up to 5 to 10 minutes, I just scroll down. Let's just check our service that we order. This is the service that we order. You can just refresh it. Now, as you can see, it's other process, but I sure know that this process is completed. Let us just go to our profile and see. This is our profile. Look at it, the video. You can see. As top up, I see that I've purchased a follower for services within 5 minutes. Now once you come to my profile, see this you think that people make the engagement here, not knowing that I purchased this for educational purpose. Use it wisely and don't use it for any form of fraud or anything. Now let us deep into the system, how we can create that type of system that we just use. I'm the one that created that. Let me show you the video how you can create that type of system. Easy. Don't forget to like, comment and share.